By far the most exciting part about this trip is about to start. You already know by the title, we're going to the Nurburgring. There's 2 tracks in the Nurburgring, if you don't know. There's the Grand Prix track, which is like 5 kilometers, which is roughly about a couple miles, I'd say. And then there's a Nordschleife or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. That one is 25 kilometers, and that's a little longer. It's gonna take about like 20 minutes to finish. With this car, it'll take a little more. Good thing I'm not there to do any lap times. Obviously, I really can't really do anything with this car, but I'm just gonna go there and see it. Like, it's a legendary track. Come on. I really wish they had those 1 Series in the States. Would definitely buy one. They look sick. But no, we have to have sedans and coupes. No hatchback 1 Series, no hatchback Mercedes, like the A-Class. No, we can't have that. So the Nurburgring has a schedule. You can check it online. But while I'm in Germany, today is literally the only day that it's open. The Grand Prix track is not even open today. So the Nordschleife thing, that other track, the big track that you probably know of, that one's the one that's open today. And it's currently raining, so I hope it's still open. I don't know if they close it for when it's raining. It's not that bad, but still, I just hope it's open. I'm like 20 minutes away right now. I see a bunch of like cool looking cars passing by. I'm assuming they're coming from the Nurburgring. I don't know. I just hope it's open. Do you see what it says over here? The freaking Nurburgring! I'm at a loss of words. I'm so happy. This place is just, you know, like if you're a car guy, you know what this place is. Even if you're not, you probably know what this place is. Forget about all the video games you played. Forget about all the curvy roads or any road you have in your neighborhood, your freaking state, wherever the hell you live. This is like top. Like this is it. I just got my ticket. Well, it is the green hell card, basic. It has written the Nurburgring on it. I see a bunch of sick ass cars and my heart's like pounding. Can you hear it? And I'm so excited. I don't care what car I'm in. This is like, it's okay. It's okay to be in this car. I'm fine with it. So the rules say nothing to block your windshield or on the dashboard. So no GoPros over there, but no one said anything about here. So we're doing that. I hope this is a good angle. I don't even know if you can hear me. Turn, 3rd gear, smooth Kia Picanto, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Another turn, a little bit, fourth gear. I could do this for days. Coming fast. Holy shit! These people are shooting for times. Look at the freaking view too, like, oh my god! This is like driving heaven. Take the turn tight. Whoop. You already know. Oh my god, what the fuck? This one's tight. Second gear. Seventh kilometer. This thing is like 21 kilometers, I think. Wow, there's a freaking transit van. What are you doing, bro? M2. I'm gonna follow the transit van. We probably have the same power anyways. I passed him. Car literally has no power. This car sucks. Holy shit. Oh, someone took a picture of me. Why would you take a picture of me? This car's ass. There's a bunch of people standing around just watching people drive by. Even that's nice. Like, you just sit around and get to see all these nice cars driving by. Damn. This place is a dream. Another picture being taken. Woohoo! Yo, Kia Picanto is getting some love out here. Another picture. Nice. Just pose too. Like, come on. I'm racing and I'm posing and I'm driving and I'm... This goddamn Kia is having the time of his life. Come on, like, who's gonna take a rental car to a freaking racetrack? And like, out of all racetracks, take them to the Nurburgring. This Kia will never have this much love in its life. I just keep getting pictures taken left and right. How do you want a picture of this car? Like, come on. I'm gonna end up on YouTube being one of the ridiculous cars on the Nurburgring compilation, like a Kia Picanto. .911 Turbo S. Yep, and that was it. Slow down, 90. Slow down to 70. And you slowly exit the ring, the Nurburgring. I'm by a gas station right by the Nurburgring, and I'm still in shock. I can't believe that I just drove the Nurburgring. Like, holy shit, that's crazy. That's insane. I've been seeing only like commuter cars, like, you know, like 3 Series BMWs or Polos. Polos are Volkswagens, like Golf but smaller. That's all I've been seeing. That's all I've been seeing since I came to Europe. Well, nice cars here and there, but today I haven't seen a bad car except mine, and I see that every day. I haven't seen a bad car. Everybody has a nice car here, obviously, and they're all track spec. Like, they got cages and spoilers and all the good stuff. Like, oh my god, I had enough. I don't want to say I had enough cars, but I had enough cars for a while. Like, enough seeing cars for a while. Enough good cars for a while to last me this whole trip. I'm good. I'm set. Like, I'm okay now. If I see Honda Civics for the rest of the trip, it's okay. It's totally fine. Hey, what's up? Shout out from the past. Forgot to make an outro for this video, so I'm here doing a forum. If you like the video, please like the video. If you don't like it, don't like it, dislike it. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video, which is maybe a day or two. I don't know. I'll see you then. Peace.